What if I told you that quantum computers don't even operate inside space and time? That the deeper reality behind their power is something physicists haven't fully understood in 100 years? In the next few minutes, you're going to hear something that might rewire your view of yourself, your mind, and your place in the universe. It took me 30 years to realize the reason nobody can truly explain quantum computers is because their operation happens outside of space-time. There's a deeper reality, a field of feelings, meaning, and intelligence from which the classical world emerges. We've been taught that the physical world is all that exists, but in truth, it's only a construction, one perceived through the limited senses of our body. Now stay with me, because what comes next changes everything. Introduce Federico Faggin and holographic cells. Federico Faggin, the inventor of the microprocessor, explains something astounding. Your body isn't just a machine made of parts. Every single one of your 50 trillion cells contains the entire blueprint of who you are. Not mechanical, holographic. You, yes, you, are a field, part of a larger, interconnected whole. Quantum fields and your true nature. Each of your cells doesn't just store information. It's connected to the entire body through quantum fields, invisible forces that link everything together. You're not a mechanical bag of chemicals. You are a dynamic, living field of intelligence, constantly adapting, responding, and evolving. This isn't science fiction. It's grounded in the strange and beautiful truths of quantum physics. Classical physics versus quantum reality. In classical physics, matter is isolated, measurable, predictable. But quantum physics shattered that illusion. Particles aren't solid things. They are temporary ripples in a vast field of possibilities. You can't separate the wave from the ocean. You can't separate a cell from the quantum field it emerges from. You are not a machine. You are a field of living, breathing potential. And here's the radical part. Consciousness isn't a byproduct of brain chemistry. It's the foundation of reality itself. If fields shape matter and consciousness shapes fields, then your very awareness is a force that collapses infinite possibilities into the experience you call reality. Why science missed it? For centuries, science said, if you can't measure it, it doesn't exist. But consciousness can't be measured like a chemical reaction or a light wave. Quantum information, unlike classical bits, can't be cloned, copied, or even fully observed without changing it. Just like your inner experience, your thoughts, your feelings are yours alone. Private, unrepeatable, real. Consciousness isn't produced. It's expressed through the brain, like light through a stained glass window. Wave function collapse and the power of observation. In quantum physics, there's a mysterious moment when possibilities collapse into reality, the collapse of the wave function. But here's the kicker. Physics can't explain how that collapse happens. What if the answer is simple? What if observation, conscious awareness, causes reality to finalize? You're not just witnessing the world. You're participating in creating it. The drone analogy, death and beyond. Think of your body like a drone. Your consciousness pilots it, receives experiences through it. But when the drone goes offline, when the body dies, the consciousness doesn't end. It simply disconnects, expanding into a greater field it was always part of.